construction is ongoing. We are at the Kumasi site. All is moving well. It's Sunday. We have our Muslim brothers here. Which work is ongoing. Our water, everything.
So that was Engineer Sammy for you with the update of the concrete casting, which we will go back to see how it was done at the end. But before that, I just want us to go back to, see how it all started with this, project, right? When it comes to the decking work, right? So the owner got in touch with, the artisans individually, like I always put out here on the channel. So here you can see Efo and his team, offloading the woods, which will be used for this particular project, which you've seen them, underway with the work. Efo is our carpenter here on the channel. Efo rents his wood for decking as well, right? So if you're at your lentil stage, you have challenge of buying wood for your decking, which after you've done, you cannot use them anymore. Efo can rent woods for you. So please get in touch with Efo if you are in that kind of situation. But with this particular project, it is in Kumasi, so transporting wood from Accra to Kumasi is going to cost even more. So, the owner has to buy them. And, it makes sense because it is like 3 levels, right? So the owner is going to be using them, over and over till, they all get damaged, right? So it is good if you have multiple floors. The best thing is to just buy the woods and just keep using it till, it's all finished, right? So if you are interested in working with Efo and you have more questions, inquiries to do, you can call him directly. That is his number on the screen. And then any question you have, I believe Efo will be the best person to answer you, right? If you want to see more of his work, I have a playlist for him, which is Efo Carpenter. If you go to my playlist, you see it, and then you can go through his videos, for you to see or get an idea with who you will be working with, right? So get in touch with Efo if you need his service, right? So as we do it here at Gigogh Production Group, when one artisan is done, the next one follows immediately, right? So when Efo was done, Ni also came with his team, and he also started his own, also completed beautifully, which you will be seeing. Like I said, right, it is a production group. I want everybody to at least tap in and use these guys, right? We didn't start with this project. The owner has his own mason and plumbers that are here, right, that are doing their work. He needed our service with the decking, right? So then, like I said, you can create your own team from this production group, right? So that's what the owner did with the supervision of Engineer Sammy, right? Like I always say, you always have to check, double check, and cross check, right? If you have a project which has multiple floors, you can deal with your masons and all that, but at every stage, right, when it comes to concrete casting still works, please try as much as possible to involve an engineer or a contractor, someone who has knowledge in construction, to come and control before you do your concrete casting. Even doing the concrete casting is also the mixture alone, right? Every structure needs its own mixture ratio, right? So you have to get someone who really understand construction to be involved, because this is a long time investment and you don't have to joke with it, right? So let's get back to today's episode.
This is the concrete coming. In Kumasi, you can see the environment. The sun is setting. Little by little, we're moving. And see, I have to drive from here to Accra today, because tomorrow I have to visit another site. And it's already 5:30. So sometimes it's not easy. It's on concrete cast. Wọ́n who say, but nipa ne ba dia wo hu no. We are now finished. It is dark. Late, this is the weather, and we have to make it to Accra at this time. Yes. This is the environment.
Sorry for the background noise. I mean, in construction, it's always noisy on site. That's why it's always best to do this voiceovers, right? Sometimes. So, I mean, you've seen it all. I mean, this is just the first floor concrete casting. Block work will go on, and then the team will come again to continue, with the next phase deck. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next episode. Like it. Do we?